This is you. Every single day of your life, you are being negatively affected by electronic devices all around you. Cell phones, computers, TVs, microwaves, alarm clocks, even your fridge emit high amounts of unhealthy energy known as EMFs, short for electromagnetic frequencies. These EMFs dramatically raise the number of positive ions in your surrounding air. And this is the real problem, as these positive ions wreak havoc by causing free radical damage to your body. In a nutshell, EMFs and the resulting positive ions equals bad news. As a result, daily exposure to any electronic device is truly a serious threat to your personal health and well-being. In fact, if you experience fatigue, allergies, headaches, back and joint pain, mood swings, or depression with no obvious cause, you are very likely suffering from symptoms due to exposure from these electronic devices. This is precisely the reason why you need to wear a scalar energy pendant, as I'll explain. So, what can you do to help protect yourself? In 2 words, negative ions. Negative ions are the energy emitted 24/7 from a scalar energy pendant. Our scalar energy pendant combines a specially concentrated blend of Icelandic lava rock mixed with a stone called tourmaline. This combination emits out a powerful constant stream of negative ions. So what are negative ions, and what do they do? Ions are naturally occurring molecular particles in the air all around us. Our bodies at all times are constantly absorbing these ions, primarily through our skin. This directly influences how we feel from moment to moment throughout the day. These ions can have either a positive or negative charge. When they have a positive charge, called positive ions, remember those? They will cause fatigue, poor circulation, and lowered oxygenation in the body. This can also lead to irritability, insomnia, depression, mood swings, sore joints, and lowered immunity, further increasing your chances of illness. Indoor environments such as an office, for example, contain very high levels of positive ions. However, when these ions have a negative charge, called negative ions or anions, they will in fact improve circulation and oxygenation of the blood. This leads to increased energy, an improved mood, sharper focus, reduced pain, and stronger immunity. Natural environments will always have a higher amount of negative ions than indoor environments. You will, however, find the highest levels of negative ions around places such as hot springs, waterfalls, and black sand beaches. These natural environments are revered for their rejuvenating and healing effect on the body. Problem is, you can't exactly go to a hot spring, waterfall, or black sand beach every day of your life. What you can do, though, is wear a scalar energy pendant and experience the benefits of negative ions every day, no matter where you go. So how can you use one? There are, in fact, many ways to use a scalar energy pendant. The most obvious one is to wear it around your neck or carry it in your pocket. Don't worry, the energy passes through clothing without issue. However, you can also effectively deal with acute symptoms by applying it directly to bruises. Apply it to your head when experiencing a headache or brain fog. Apply it directly to sore joints. Place it next to a plant and watch it grow more vibrantly. Put it on your pet. We also have pet-specific pendants. Place it next to a glass of water or food to charge it with negative ions. There are numerous ways you can use your scalar energy pendant. Having it on you at all times can be a real asset. The question on your mind now, though, is do you really need one? Well, let's see. Do you sit in front of a computer all day? Do you use a cell phone frequently? Are you often in an air-conditioned environment? Are you always tired for no reason? Are you an athlete or want better results in the gym? Do you have chronic pain or injuries? If you said yes to any of the following, then you can benefit from a scalar energy pendant. Remember, without actively putting negative ions back into your body, you will always be overwhelmed by positive ions and unable to achieve an ionic balance for proper health. A scalar energy pendant is doing nothing more than providing your body with the ion balance that nature intended for you. It simply allows you to feel the way you were meant to feel, before technology became a part of all of our daily lives. All this would be enough on its own to make you want to use one. However, we're so confident your scalar energy pendant will have a positive impact on your life that we also offer you a full money-back guarantee. As well, we guarantee your pendant to work for life. So unlike others on the market, with us, you can rest assured you're getting a quality pendant that will work and stand the test of time. So, you now have every reason to get one for yourself and your family, and join the thousands of existing happy customers who feel great wearing our Scalar Energy pendants today.